I can't even take myself seriously right now. Hey guys, haven't vlogged in forever, so I was like, why don't I vlog right now? Cause right now is all I have. You know what I'm saying? Right now is all we ever have. So I decided to take advantage of the opportunity and vlog. Look at my dark circles, guys. I swear I have the worst dark circles ever. If I look crazy, that's because I have one eyebrow filled in and one like kind of filled in. I'm in the process of filling this one in. But I wanted to like vlog while doing it. I don't know. Guys, I don't know how to film right now because like the phone is so low, and in order to film I have to be like whatever. I should like title this like get ready with me at like midnight to do nothing, because that's what I'm gonna go do. Nothing. Well, actually I'm gonna write a paper. I'm gonna write 2 papers, probably just one and then the other one tomorrow, because I love to procrastinate. Duh. This is a really awkward position to film in. I hope you guys know that I'm doing this for you. Alright, you can see my palette right there a little bit. Alright, I'm using, why am I acting like this is a tutorial? Well, anyways, I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow if anybody wants to recreate this beautiful look. Alright, let's fill this baby in. God, the lighting sucks in my grandma's room, like really, really bad. Oh my god, I cannot see what I'm doing. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this on camera, guys. I'm gonna try really hard to, but I really don't think I will be able to. Oh wait, I got it. I'm pretty sure I just did that way too harsh. I can't really tell that much though. Hopefully when I like brush it, it like blends out. That's what I always pray for, you know, like if I mess up my eyebrow, I'm like, I'll just brush it with a spoolie and it'll be all Gucci. Oh, I have terrible eyebrows. My eyebrows are so shitty. I'm gonna finish filling in my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and this eyebrow looks way darker than this eyebrow. I can just tell. Like, why? I must have like pressed too hard while filling it in. Anyways, they look really uneven. Story of my life, because my eyebrows are shit. I'm gonna clean them up with some Tarte Shape Tape just to see if that fixes anything. This angle is just amazing, like amazing. Set my eyelids really quick because my eyelids be getting greasy. Nobody wants greasy eyelids. Okay, so I saw this thing that Daisy Marquez did a while ago where she said not to set your eyelids or something like that, and I was like, I wonder if that actually works. Like, I guess it's supposed to make the eyeshadow look more vibrant and stuff. I've never tried it. I should have tried it in this video, but whatever. It's too late now. I really don't want to put a bunch of foundation on right now, just because it's super late. But I'm gonna anyways for the sake of this tutorial, because I already did this, so like why not do the whole thing. I'm mixing 2 of my favorite drugstore foundations. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus and then the True Match Lumi from L'Oreal. This one's like really pale, so that's why I'm mixing them. Plus I've gone tanning a bit. It may not look like it, but I've gone tanning a bit, so basically what I do is I usually obviously prime and stuff and moisturize, but like I'm not really going anywhere. This foundation smells like literal paint, which is really weird, but like whatever. If you've never tried this foundation, you should definitely try it, just because it's really good, and also you can go ahead and smell the paint smell that I'm talking about, because it's really weird. Makes me wonder, like, is this even good for my face? Probably not, but like, I'm gonna put it on anyways. I really like the applicator of this. It makes like applying this foundation 10 times easier and way less messy than applying like any other foundation. Now that I did that, I'm gonna take my other foundation and I'm just gonna pump. This one's way more liquidy. The Wet n Wild is a lot thicker. This one's like way runnier and thinner, so you gotta be careful. And just kind of, I just put it in like all areas of my face, just to kind of like mix them together and stuff. I didn't wet my Real Technique sponge, so I'm gonna go wet it because I just can't blend foundation without a wet sponge. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I look crazy, but I wet my sponge. Like literally my hand's still wet. Alright, let's blend this baby out. That really makes me look so pale. Look at my face compared to my neck. Let's bring this down. Alright, I'm not really going anywhere special, guys, so don't drag me in the comments for having my foundation different from my neck. So I'm just going to take some concealer under my eyes. I'm just going to do my makeup like I normally would. I usually only put a tiny bit of this Shape Tape, because literally a little bit goes such a long way. You don't need any more. Like honestly, I think I may have put a little bit too much. If you guys see me looking over there, obviously I'm looking at a mirror. I gotta add a little bit to the Cupid's bow, or just your lip, you know, just conceal your whole lips. I love concealer lips so much. I like don't really feel like setting my face with powder because like I'm not going anywhere. But like I don't really want to do like my lashes either because mascara is such a pain in the ass to get off. Yeah, so I'll just put on like a little bit of bronzer. I'm gonna do like a really harsh contour because like I'm not even going anywhere. So just be like really extra with it. Notch the cheekbones, huh? Hold on, let me just put this bronzer all over my face because no, honey, I'm looking pale. Try like contouring my lips. You know how, I don't know who it is that did that to their lips. I think I saw like Kim K do it or something. I've seen a few people do it, honestly. Let's see. Does that make what? That does absolutely nothing. That literally did nothing, guys. Like, that literally did absolutely nothing. Well, at least I feel like my lips look exactly the same. So, yeah, comment below if you think my lips look different. Let's contour my nose, shall we? See if I can do this. I never contour my nose, guys. So if this looks like crap, do not judge. Well, this whole look, honestly, don't judge because just don't judge in general. It's not good to be a judger. Oh, I almost dropped my bronzer. My favorite bronzer of all time too. You ever put your makeup on and you're like, who is that badass bitch? Like, I just can't get over my neck versus my face shade. Like, what? Alright. So, now that we like went a little bit ham with the bronzer, I feel like I need it like everywhere now. Let's add some color to the lids. Add that in the crease, shall we? Okay, actually, I kind of like this a lot now that I haven't used it in a while. I don't know if it's because I'm in low lighting or what, but damn, a bitch is glowing. I'm gonna put some lipstick on because I don't feel like taking off the concealer. So my little cousin actually got me this for Christmas and I have yet to use it, but it's from Elf and it's a velvet matte lipstick in the shade Bold Berry. I really hope that this color looks nice because I love like dark purple lipsticks. Okay, this looks more like a pink. Yeah, this looks really pink. This is not something I'd wear. This looks like hot pink. Honestly, it feels really nice though. Like super smooth. Okay, Elf. I see you. I feel like I can't pull off a color like this. I don't know. But I do have to say that this lipstick is really good quality. I don't know how it would wear throughout the day, but it feels super smooth. It's really easy to apply. Like, I honestly don't think you even need to like wear a lip liner with this. I think that I'm gonna end the video here. I look kind of crazy. I look super crazy with this lipstick. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Get ready. Actually, no, this is a get ready with me at midnight. That's what it is. It's not a makeup tutorial at all. It's a weird random video. I will hopefully be uploading like an actual makeup tutorial soon. I hope. Just hopefully I can get like a lighting situation going, because that's really the only issue right now. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.